Hey, thanks for joining us again today. Today we're at Autosport in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania with something you don't see too often in here. A very clean 1999 BMW Z3. I've had a few of these in the past year or two, and they're just really hard to find this clean. A lot of these cars have been beaten and abused. This car is just super clean all the way around. We're going to give you a little presentation, go around the car, show you how everything works, go around the exterior, interior, engine bay, in the trunk. And this is a Clean Carfax with only 62,000 miles. We just put a brand new convertible top on it, new inspections, and it's ready to drive. If you're looking for a fun car for not a lot of money, this should definitely be in consideration. You're not spending $40,000. This is a fun car that you can take out, enjoy, feel the road in, and after a few years, you can always change it up. And these cars are just getting harder and harder to come by. And I actually grew up driving the 3 Series with this same motor in 2.5 liter 6-cylinder. A lot of these are 4 cylinders. This is a 6-cylinder. They're very reliable cars and just a fun car all around. And you can get a classic plate on them. So keep that in consideration if you're in Pennsylvania. Okay, obviously it's white with a saddle light tan interior, and it does have a light tan top as well. We just had it replaced. I'm not going to put it up for you. We have the convertible boot cover on it, but you can look on the pictures. It is power. It still works. And yeah, so going across the hood here into the front bumper, really nice and clean. Has this car had paint work? Probably. It's a 99. But overall, super clean. The hood, there's very little chip there that a little bit of touch-up would take care of. Front bumper's nice and clean. Kidney grills not cracked or anything like that. The trim still shows nicely, as well as the headlights. Both headlights nice and clear. Got a very, very little bit of haze starting, but nothing to get concerned about. You're not going to put new headlights in it over it. Little chip there again, something that you could easily touch up. Going into the driver side here, driver door, a couple little small dents right there, nothing to be concerned of. You're not going to see it in this video or the pictures. I try to point this stuff out so whenever you get the car, whether you come in to look at it, you know exactly what you're getting, or if you're getting it shipped to your house, it's everything you think it is. When you see this video, see the pictures, see the Carfax, and hopefully it's everything whenever you get it to your door, if not more. Premium style wheels, no curb rash on the front. Tires, actually they're Pirellis. Wow, okay. Pirelli tires, date code 2016 in the front. Premium wheel, again, the insides are nice, the outsides are nice. Calipers were painted, which gives it kind of a little sporty look to it. I like that touch. BMW designations all the way around are nice and clear. They haven't started to chip or fade away or anything like that. Okay, windshield. Glass here, I don't know if it's the original windshield. It probably is because it has this little BMW sticker at the top here, but just really nice and clear. You know, you can see there's no haze marks from the wipers going or anything like that. Even this drip tray along the bottom here isn't cracked or dry rotted. So that's really nice to see. Going into the rocker panel, you can see these cars are just laser straight. You know, it's just German quality, and everything matches up nice, flows nicely together. You know, you got a couple little touch-ups here. I don't know what it was, but there's probably about 6 of them there. Going into the quarter panel here, I don't see a dent there or a scuff or anything. Same with this rear wheel, just the same as the front. And let's see, date code 2016. So tires got a lot of tread left. If you want to come to the back, we'll work our way through the back here. Again, this is a brand new power. It's a brand new top. It is power. It still works. We have the boot cover on it that came on it whenever we bought it. And you can look at the pictures. You can see that it has been replaced. Side note, a lot of these cars, the tops do stop working. They're easily converted to manual if that time does come, and that's one nice thing about these cars is before they got packed with technology and stupid little quirks and gremlins, but again, this is working now, and I'd be glad to FaceTime it with you or show you whenever you come in. All right, going into the deck lid as well as the rear bumper, nice and clean. Again, who knows if it's had paint work? It probably has, but everything matches. Out in the sun, on the inside, you can see the gaps, and the finish works really nice on this car. I guess you'd call it dual exhaust, dual muffler, I don't know. But the tips are really nice and clear. Really nothing to pick at on here. BMW designation, tail lights, everything looks to be factory as far as that stuff goes. Okay, inside the trunk lid here, looks to be original. Still got the BMW VIN tags on here. And still has the original tools. Look like a newer battery, 3 of 22. BMW battery. Wow, that was pricey. It's got all the original tools with it. I don't know if they put a spare under these or not. They probably did, but don't quote me on that. Okay, no dents or anything on the deck lid. Going into the passenger quarter panel as well as the passenger door. I don't see anything. Even her lower rocker panel's nice. You can tell this wasn't ran up any curbs or anything like that. Surely I'm going to miss something, and there's going to be a spot here or there. It's a 99, so if you want a brand new one, there's a BMW dealership over in Monroeville. But overall, for the price and quality, this car's a lot of car for the money, and you can have a lot of fun with it, and just enjoy it on those nice fall and summer days. Rear wheels, again, just as clean as the driver's side. Pirellis all the way around. I think that's what they are. Yeah, Pirellis. Passenger quarter panel or fender, nice and clean. Even the insides of the fenders are nice. All the seals going around, even around these door handles. Just everything, you can tell this car must have been inside a lot of its life. It doesn't show a lot of the age issues that a lot of these cars seem to get over the years. I do have the window sticker for this car. Just hold on for 1 second. Let me grab it, because it does have actually has a pretty big window sticker for the year with a lot of nice options on it. Yeah, I mean, it was, let's see here. Yeah, I mean, $33,000 new. It does have the premium package, which was the leather upholstery, power top, and the wood interior. Throughout the interior, you can see it has had seat covers put on it. That's probably from normal wear, but they actually match really nicely. Carpeting's nice and clean. Another thing that happens on these cars that this one does not have, one of the first things I look at, is the pixels in the radio as well as the dash start to fade away, and you can barely read them. Everything's nice in this one. Air conditioner works, top works, power windows work. I don't think it has power locks, dual power mirrors. Just a nice clean example. The dash area, you can tell that the people that own this car really took care of it, and just it's a nice car overall. I'm going to pop the hood here, and then we'll fire it up, go over all the lights, and wrap it up. Again, they call it a Z3. They say 2.3 on the back, I think. It's a 2.5 six-cylinder motor. These cars, I pretty much grew up driving the same motor in their 3 Series. Excellent cars. Somebody did at some point, probably from new, put this, I guess you'd call it a rust prohibitor, I don't know. But you can see a few signs of that around the car and the cracks and stuff here. But it really has done its job. I mean, this car overall is just very clean as far as any kind of rust or corrosion. Top of the engine, as well as even these hoses are nice. I'd have to look at the Carfax, which is on our website, to see where this car was maintained, because you can tell that it must have been done by somebody who knew what they were doing. Again, nice clean firewall, as well as windshield shield, I guess you'd call it. Nice and easy. Okay, I'm going to hop in it. We'll start with the lights in the back, work our way to the front, and we'll go from there. I do have 2 keys for this car. Again, the original window stickers here, I think, yeah, it was sold new in South Carolina. And I'll fire it up here, and while Justin's standing there, you can see how nice and clean the dash is. Radio, nice and bright, no kind of dash lights on, and everything's just functioning as it should. There's your brake lights. There's your passenger turn signal, driver turn signal, and reverse. This is a 5-speed, and clutch in this car's nice and tight, easy to drive. You can see everything's just nice and crisp. Even the clock you can read clear. Maybe not through the cell phone video, who knows, but just everything's working as it should. Again, AC, no dash lights or anything on. And if you want to go to the front, we'll do the front lights. And yeah. All right, manual lights on this car. Pull out. There's your driver turn signal, passenger turn signal. Again, if you're looking for a fun car for not a lot of money, these cars are excellent cars if you can find a clean one. There's a lot of them out there that are less money. I'm never the cheapest one, but I try to make these right. I try to make them nice. I put tops on them if they need them. I put tires on them if I need them. Every car I get, irregardless if they're inspected or not, gets new inspections. We have inspections as well as emissions, which we're like one of 4 counties in Pennsylvania that have emissions still. So I get these cars gone over. We get a lot of cars back through the years, and we ship a lot of cars out of the state. So that way, whenever they do go out of state, you know that everything should be solid for your state's inspection. If there's anything I missed, definitely give me a call. My phone number is 724-388-4930. Again, we're located down here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. There's an airport within a half an hour. We'll pick you up at the airport. We'll drive you here, check the car out. You can fly home, or you can get a temporary plate, drive it home, and get this car in your garage. If you're local, come in, check this car out in person. I think it's everything that I described it to be and hopefully more. So thanks for watching, and let's get this in your garage.